Good morning guys, ito yung baon ng aking alaga for this Monday. Japanese white rice, pork adobo with egg, grapes, cheddar cheese na baked cracker, and then the Japanese cracker also. And then as usual, kailangan present parati yung tubig. So this is it. Have a blessed Monday to us all. At sa init ng panahon ngayon guys, each of us must be aware. Kailangan lagi tayong may baon na tubig, laging umiinom na tubig, dahil sa init ng panahon, nakakatakot ma-dehydrated. So, keep dehydrated, inom ng tubig, huwag masyadong magbibilad sa init, para sa kaligtasan ng safetyness ng bawat isa sa atin. Okay? Ingat tayong lahat. Take care. And thanks for viewing. A blessed Tuesday morning to us all. Ito ngayon yung baon ng aking alaga. Broccoli at saka cauliflower. Steam siya. And then, ayan yung salmon. And yung kanyang prutas, apples and oranges. May muffin siya, tapos nilagyan ko din ng Yakult. So, as usual, ito. Plain water. So, this is for today. A blessed morning to us all. And yung magiging breakfast niya is sandwich. Banana naman yung kanang fruits. Okay? Thank you. Thank you, everyone. So this is for today. Oh, umulan pala. Okay. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood. Thank you.